Good afternoon everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the concept called managing the projects in the management information system. So these are the topics which are covered in this section, that is a project definition and scope, and that project planning, and the team building and the leadership and communication, and what are the risk managements and monitoring and controlling, adaptability, quality management, and closure and evaluation. These are the ones which are included in this section. So first one is a project definition and scope. Clearly define the purpose and deliverables and boundaries of that project. So while in this beginning of this project only, if we clearly define the purpose and what are the deliverables and what is the boundary of the project, what is the aim, it can be very so what it is saying now, this includes the understanding of the project objective, what it aims to achieve, and specific outcomes or the products it will be delivered. That is very important for any project. So after that, identify the key stakeholders and their expectations. So key stakeholders are individual or group who have their interest in the project outcomes, and define their roles and responsibilities and desire the outcomes to ensure alignment with the project objective. After that, now establish the measurable success criteria. So it defines a clear and quantified metrics to evaluate whether the project has been useful in achieving the goals, or these criteria should be aligned with the stakeholders' exceptions. So after that, it is going to develop a comprehensive project plan outlining the task, timelines and dependencies. After that, it is also going to concentrate and allocate the resources efficiently. So consider both human and material resources. So allocation is also very important. So create a risk management plan to identify, assess and mitigate the potential risk which are involved in the project. And security management also very important, and user support also important. If the user is trained, and if it can be very vital for to address their queries. So scalability and upgradation is also very important, and backup the requirement. Backup and recovery. So backup means whenever unexpected things are happened, now we can easily recover the data with the help of backup. So team building and clearly, so assemble the competent project team with the necessary skills and expertises. So we have to assemble, we have to keep them in one place so that it can be easy for them to make it fulfill. So clearly communicate the roles and responsibilities and exceptions to all the team members. After that, now foster the positive team culture that encourages the collaboration and open communication and mutual support as well. So what coming to, whenever we discuss about the communication now, to establish a robust communication plan that includes regular and updates and meetings and reportings. That after that, utilize the collaborative tools like to perform and facilitate effective communication, like document sharing and the knowledge exchange among the team members and with the stakeholders also. So after that, it is also going to discuss about the address issues. So if there is any issues are there or triggered in the project, they have to address, so that proactively and ensures that everyone is informed of any changes or any challenges that arises. So risk management, identifying the potential risk early or at their childhood only to and impact on the project. So after that, develop a comprehensive risk register to track and manage the potential threats. So regular assess and upgrade the risk registers. So throughout the project life cycle, as the circumstances changes or new information emerges, revisit the risk assessment and make adjustments as necessary. So encourage the proactive approach to risk mitigation among the team, so that encourage the team members to identify and propose the strategies for the minimize the impact of the potential risk. Next one is a monitoring and the controlling. So implement effective project tracking mechanisms to the monitor progress and identify the deviations from the plan. So after that, it is also going to concentrate on the regular comparison compare the actual progress against the project plan and make the adjustments as needed. Promptly address the deviations from the plan and make data driven decisions based on the actual performance of the data. Adaptability means to adapt the flexible approaches can be prepared to adapt to the changes in the project. So we have to so it is also the combination of increasing the innovations. It is also combination of a continuously evaluation of the project. Quality management comes under the establish and enforce the clear quality standards for the project deliverables. So define the quality requirements and ensure that all outputs meet the specified standards or not. Thank you.